Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Logitech. So let me take you to the website, which is logitech.com. For the ones who don't know what is Logitech, Logitech is a Swiss American technology company that specializes in the design and production of computer peripherals and software. They're widely known for their wide range of products, including computer mouse, keyboards, webcam, speakers, headphones, gaming accessories, and much more. The company has a strong presence in both the consumers and enterprise markets, offering products for personal use, office environments, and gaming enthusiasts. So you can come to the website, you can explore all the amazing products that they offer, buy something for yourself, for your family, or for your office. Totally up to you. But what if I tell you there's a way you can earn money from Logitech? And you heard it right. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Logitech and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to Logitech, you will end up getting commission from them. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth promoting Logitech? That's a question. Well, let's look at the number and see how famous they are. Globally, they're ranking at number 9,107, and in the category, they're ranking at number 15. People already know them and they already like them. You simply have to promote their products to those people, and when you bring the sales, you'll get the commission. And if you look at the monthly views, they got over 6.7 million. So yeah, that's how famous they are. Let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, on the website, you can scroll down till the footer section, click on affiliate program, which will take you to this page. Now, if you're trying to access the website from outside of United States, Canada, or Mexico, or let's say from other location, there could be a possibility that you won't see that affiliate program option. In that case, you can click on this link directly, which I'm going to mention in the video description. When you do that, it will take you to this page. This is basically Logitech affiliate program page. Over here, you would be able to see more information like why joining the Logitech program, and then the commission rate. So they're currently providing between 4% commission to 10% commission. And then the average order volume, which is 125. So whomsoever makes purchase on Logitech, if you're going to put it in average, that's going to be $125. So if you bring around $125 to Logitech, you could end up getting anywhere between 4% to 10% commission. That's great. And then they got 30 days cookie period. That means if you brought someone to their website today, what if the person doesn't buy anything and leave the website? If the person comes back again in the next 30 days, you will still be entitled to get commission. So that's great. And then if you scroll down, you'll see how it works. You join the program by clicking on join now, you promote the product and you start earning commission. See how simple it is? And then if you scroll further down, you will see some affiliates, like famous affiliates of theirs. And then there are some FAQs. Now, these FAQs are very important because most of the frequently asked questions, they have tried to answer it here. So you can click on how does the program work to see a gist of it. And then if you scroll down, can I take the order on my website? Is my website eligible to become a Logitech affiliate? Now, this is a very good question. What they say, anyone may submit an application. However, we reserve the right to deny membership to a website or revoke your website's membership anytime if we deem it contains or links to objectionable material. Objectionable material include, but it's not limited to pornography, explicit language or content, violence, and all that stuff. So just ensure that you meet the criteria when you're applying to the Logitech affiliate program. Then, can a website outside of the US become an affiliate? Well, let's read it. Yes, affiliates based outside the US can join the program as long as they state their promotional area includes the US. If you are an EME, which is Europe, Middle East, and Africa based affiliate, please click here. So they got other affiliate program as well. To give you more context here, as of now, they're only providing affiliate program for you if you have traffic from US, Canada, Mexico, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, and Switzerland. So depending on where you have most of the traffic, you can click on the link accordingly. If you do not have most of the traffic from UK, Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, Switzerland, then we have to click on the link that we saw above. But otherwise, you have to click on one of these links, and it will take you to the same application. Like it would it would look similar, but it's a different application form. So you can click on the forms accordingly. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about their US-based affiliate program. So it doesn't matter from anywhere you are, so long as you have traffic from US, Canada, or Mexico, then you can click on the link that I'm about to tell you. Otherwise, you can go through with these links accordingly. What about the affiliate program for other regions? Let's say you're from India or from other country. Logitech is available there as well. I have researched and it seems like they do not provide affiliate program for the consumers from those countries. So unfortunately, these are the only countries that I talked about that you see in here, and then US, Canada, and Mexico. All right, then if you scroll down, you would be able to see, what if I operate more than one website? So here they're trying to say, yes, they're fine with it, so long as you share the informations like the name of the website and the URLs to this email address. So that you can use this email address for that purpose. Other purposes, if you have any other question related to the affiliate program, you can also write an email to them and know more about it. But first, try to find the question in here and get the answer by reading all these questions. So let's say you read it all, or you read some and you want to apply it to the affiliate program. How do you do that? For that, you can scroll up till here, join the program, assuming that you want to join the US, Canada, or Mexico, then click on join now. Otherwise, you can click on the hyperlink that we showed down, depending on the affiliate program. So let's say you clicked on join now. What this will do, this will take you to this application form, Logitech, US, Canada, and Mexico. Over here, you would be able to see all this information. And before we move further with it, look at the URL. It says impact.com, no more Logitech. And why is that? Let me take you to the website, which is impact.com. So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network work as a third party between brands and affiliates. And in order for affiliates to connect to brands, affiliates have to be part of these networks. So in our case, since we are interested in Logitech, when we will be creating an application here, when we'll be submitting it, we will eventually become part of Impact. So that's why we see app.impact.com. So let's say if you already have an account with Impact, then you have to click on sign in. It's possible that you might have an affiliate account with Impact already. In that case, you have to click on sign in. Otherwise, you have to fill up this form. So over here on this form, you can mention your first name, last name, email address, confirm email address, username, minimum should be 6 characters, password, this is the requirement, ensure you follow it, confirm the password, and then company information. So if you represent a company, mention your company name here. Otherwise, you can mention your name in here. Then you can select the protocol in here for the website and enter your website. So what if you don't have a website or a blog? Then probably, let's say you have a Facebook channel or Facebook page, or rather YouTube channel, or any sort of social media page, you can mention the URL of that web page here. Since they have mentioned in the FAQs, anyone can apply. So there's no harm in applying for the affiliate program, even though if you don't have a website, just ensure you mention your channel page or the Facebook account or social media account page in here, the URL to that. Then comes country or region. So over here, you can click on your country of operation. Since I'm from India, so I'm going to select India. In your case, from wherever you are, you can select your country of operation in here. Then your address, your office address or your personal address, you can enter the details in here, followed by a phone number. Select your country, enter the phone number, select the time zone, bank location, country, select currency as well. From the drop down, you would only be able to select from these currency. Then comes promotional method. Now this is very important. Ensure in business model. So click here and select the business model accordingly. Let's say if you got a website which is loyalty or rewards based, then you can click here. Let's say, but what if you have a content website or blog, or let's say if you have a content Facebook page or social media account, then go with this. So whatever suits your business model the most, select that in here. Then comes promoting countries. So this is very important because they have mentioned in the FAQs, even though if you're from outside of United States, ensure if you're applying to the United States affiliate program, you select United States in here. The reason why you're joining the program, because you have traffic. So regardless of whether your location is outside of the United States, but since you have audience from the United States, so you can select United States as a country. But what if you have traffic from other countries as well? You can click on add another country and select the country accordingly. What if you have traffic from United States, Canada, Mexico, and as well as UK? So which one should you go with? Should you fill up this form or the other form that we were looking at in the previous page? Well, let's start with this application first and see how it goes. Thereafter, you might want to fill that form up, but at least you can start with this for now. All right, then comes the media property. From here, you can select your property types, whatever information you have mentioned about in the website details. You can select it accordingly. What kind of property do you have? Is it a website, podcast, channel, email or newsletter or offline? And depending on what you select here, mention the name of the property. So let's say if you got a Facebook account, a Facebook page, mention the name of the Facebook page in here. But if you got a website, select website, mention the name of the website in here, followed by the URL. So doesn't matter, you got a website, blog, or a social media page, you should have a web page for it. Just enter the website or web page details in here, the URL, and then describe it as well. Thereafter, you can read through this agreement. And they're trying to say the schedule for the payment. So like how much is the lock time? It's 2 months, and then 30 days after the lock period, you can expect the payment. So in short, if all the transactions that's going to happen for say in the month of August, you can expect the commission for those transactions to be locked within 2 months from that, and then it will take another 1 month for the payment to come to you. So around 90 days of time that you have to keep in mind. Then qualified first, and then general terms as well that you can read. And once you have read it all, you can also read the Impact Master Campaign Agreement. And once you've read it, click in here and click on Submit Application. So your application to them would go. But what if you have an account with Impact already? If you do, then do not fill this form. Rather click on Sign In, which should take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your username and password. Click on Sign In, which will take you to this page on your Impact.com account. So over here, ensure this should be your Impact credentials, whatever credentials you use to log into your Impact affiliate account. So over here, once it takes you to this page, you can scroll down, you can read through it. And here you see it says 3% commission for, if you click here, you will see the SKUs number of all the products where they're providing 3% commission rate. But otherwise they will be giving 4% commission rate. So why there's a difference? When we looked at the web page, they were saying 10%, but now we are seeing 4%. So my understanding is, and they're open to give up to 10% depending on your performance. So let's say you end up joining the affiliate program and you do well, you can reach out to them and request them to increase the commission rate. And since they have mentioned it publicly, it's highly likely that they could increase the commission rate. Okay, so this is the same information that we were seeing on the application form. So once you've read it, you can click on I approve the contract and want to continue. So when you click here, you can wait for it to load. It will probably load up the details, and it will show your application is pending review. So it doesn't matter. You fill up this form and you click on submit application, or you go through with the process we did here. Your application to Logitech affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and depending on that, they will give you the approval. How much time would that take? Give them around 2 weeks of time. They may take anywhere between a couple of days to 2 weeks, depending on the number of applications they're getting. And how would you know once you got the approval? So you will be notified by an email. Once you got the email, you can come to the website impact.com, click on sign in, which will take you to your dashboard, affiliate dashboard on Impact platform. And the best way to see whether you have been approved or not, on the home page, on the right hand side, click on this drop down, and if you'll see Logitech in here, that means you have been approved. As of now, I'm seeing 2 brands because I got approved from them. And if I'll see Logitech, that means I got approval from Logitech as well. All right, so I see them in here. Then what? Then I can start promoting them. Similar to me, you can also start promoting them. Once you find them here, that means you have been approved. You can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link, because for Impact and Logitech to track your commission, it's important that you use unique links meant for you. So for that, from their website, doesn't matter, whatever product that you like and you want to promote, just click on that specific product. Let's say you want to promote this product, click on the product. It will take you to the web page of the product. Take the URL from here, look at the web address, take the URL from here, copy it, and then go back to your homepage of Impact. Ensure you have selected Logitech in here, mention the URL in here, and click on create. When you do that, it will create a tracking link for you. So this way you can take any link from their website and convert it into a tracking link which is meant for you and start promoting them. What if you don't want to create a link, but rather you want to get banner links or different kind of product links directly? In that case, on your Impact account, you can click on content and you can go to assets and get those links as well. So this is how you can get the links or create the link for yourself. But how can you promote them? There were many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got. You can put advertisement anywhere of your on your website. That's a good way. Then the second is blog. So blog is better because on blog, you could write blog posts about different products of Logitech. And at the end of each blog post or somewhere in between each blog post, you can write that if you're interested about this product, click on this link, and that link should be your tracking link. So that's how you can promote them on blog. Third is computer hardware website. Now this is more suited here because consumers would come to computer hardware website in case if you got such a website, they will come to your website to know about computer hardware. That means they're likely to click on those links that are available there and will make the purchase. So if you got a computer hardware website, probably you can create a section just for Logitech or related companies. When they click on that button, they should be able to see all the different products provided by Logitech, and they can click on it, meaning they click on the tracking links, and when they make the purchase, you'll end up getting commission. So this is how you can promote them. There are many ways as well. What about social media? I am not sure on that because nowhere in the terms and conditions or FAQs they have mentioned that they're fine with people promoting them on social media. So even if you get the approval, that's good. When you fill up the application or when you apply to them, if it's a social media account you have been using, you get the approval, that means you're fine to promote them on social media. But what if they approve you for the website, but you also got a social media account for the same website, then you can reach out to them and take the permission. The point is only promote them on the medium or on your channel for which you have gotten the approval. If you got the approval for your website, promote them on your website. Got the approval for blog, promote them on only on that blog. Same way any other channel that you got the approval for. So you ended up promoting them and you ended up generating sales to them, and then there's a commission. Where would you be able to see your commission? For that, you can again log into your Impact account by going to impact.com, sign in, and click on reports and run all these reports to see your performance, which includes sales, commissions, and everything. How about the payment for it? So all the commission that will get generated, you can expect Logitech to pay that commission to Impact, and Impact will issue the commission to you. So ensure your payment method is updated on Impact. Your payment details are updated because otherwise Impact won't be able to issue commission to you. For that, you can click on these three dots on the bottom left side and click on settings, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till bank account section, click on bank account, update your banking information to get the payment via electronic fund transfer. So this is how you can apply to the affiliate program of Logitech and start promoting them and start generating commission. Now, the another question you may ask that what if I already have an account with Impact? Can't I just go to brands and find brands and search them? You could try it, but unfortunately, you won't be able to find them. There's some sort of setup, I would rather say. They seem like a private brand on Impact. So the only way to apply to the program is through their webpage. So that's why you might not be able to search them. But if you follow the process, doesn't matter if you have an account with Impact or not, your application to them would go and you can expect an approval from them, depending on whether you're good suited for them or not. So this is how you can apply to the affiliate program. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program Logitech, start promoting them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.